Hey there thrill seekers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're visiting the largest theme park in Poland, Energylandia. Located in Zadra, Poland, it was honestly the best day of our lives. We went on all of the roller coasters, watched this amazing winter show, and I tried ice skating for the first time. So stay tuned and watch to find out.
Excited?
Yes.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah, we just got in through the ticket thing, so let's go. Oh my, it's showing! It's showing!
Look at all the food, honey. We want to go on the ride, so don't we?
Yeah, we're just gonna go to the ride.
Look at cat. Hello.
Alright folks, it's time to conquer our first challenge of the day, the Hyperion.
I'm real nervous right now.
This ride was so fast, we even needed goggles.
We need goggles?
Yeah.
Damn!
Standing tall as one of Europe's tallest and fastest roller coasters, this is bound to get our hearts racing.
Let's go! Are we going? Oh yes! Oh my god!
Honey, I'm good.
Oh my god!
It's gonna be okay, right?
It should be okay, honey. It should be okay.
It should be.
What you mean? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Oh my god!
Oh my god, that was so fast.
That was so fast!
Alright,
So we just finished first ride, which is
Hyperion,
Hyperion.
this ride,
This right there.
right there. You can see it.
And oh my goodness. I think
Okay, tell him firstly what we have to put on.
we have to put goggles on.
We had goggles on, we looked so cool, didn't we?
Yeah.
It was honestly so fast. We didn't know what to expect. It was just amazing, right?
Like I reckon it felt faster than the Rollercoaster.
Yeah. Zadra? Zadra, that's the one, yeah.
That's the wooden one. Alright, so let's go. We're going to the wooden one.
The good thing about like theme parks, we can just be, you know, the kids inside of us can come out.
Look at this one.
Oh my god. What we're gonna go on now?
So we're going to the wooden roller coaster,
That one right there.
which is called Zadra.
I'm so nervous.
Oh my god, look at this piece.
Zadra.
Look at that. It's all wooden.
Oh my god. I'm shaking.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so scary. Hurry. Come on, hurry up.
I'm coming. I'm running.
Oh, the fuck.
You nervous?
Yes.
Yeah. He finally admits. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Does it look safe? I don't know. The music isn't helping.
So epic, you know?
Oh my god. Alright, I guess we're gonna see you guys.
After the ride. Okay.
We're about to go on the wooden roller coaster.
Okay, we're going.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, go. I'm ready. Oh my god. Woo. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Well, we just rode the Zadra roller coaster.
Bloody hell.
Oh my god, best one in this park. It was so epic.
No, it's the fact that when it pulls you up, it goes boom, boom. It doesn't do it slowly and it's all creaky and it just, As you can tell by my hair.
We did it. This is our second time. We did on Zadra.
Oh my god.
Zadra. And oh my god, it was awesome. We just arrived to the
Formula racing track.
one apparently is 120 kilometers per hour. I'm gonna win this race. We're gonna change our tires. Oh boy.
I should not have worn eyeliner.
Oh my god.
So how was it?
It wasn't as good as the first one we got,
No.
but it was still really fun.
After all those roller coasters, we got pretty hungry, so it's time to grab a bite to eat, and we were spoiled for choice. The restaurants and cafes here were so beautiful, and everything smelled amazing.
Oh my god, it smells so nice here. Oh my god. All these donuts.
So I got the cheese and ham toasty with mayo, and he got
And I get chicken baguette.
baguettes, a little bit of ketchup, and a cute latte. This place is amazing, and it's just us.
Yeah. Also, I don't think so many people knows about this place opening during Christmas.
No.
So there is barely any people.
No queues. Well, a little bit, but like 1 minute. But it's just so good.
So good, because in America you have to wait long hours. So if you wanna go during the time we went, because
Yes.
it's literally no queues at all.
Alright, so let's try this tiramisu. Now that is tiramisu.
Hello, now we're gonna go to the orange roller coaster, the one that your legs hang.
Your legs hang?
Yeah, I should have. Look at those turns here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Alright, so we just experienced that ride and oh my god, you were so scared.
So I felt more scared on this one than
The wooden one.
Just because I saw the spiral just before we entered,
Yeah.
and
And- I was having
And-
fun.
it also different perspective because the rail is on top of, on the top.
Yeah.
It's not underneath you.
So you can see like everything underneath
Yeah,
you.
so-
And you feel a bit scared.
Yeah, so I got a bit scared.
A bit. You was terrified.
Yeah, but it was fun. It was fun. I can do it again now because I know I expect.
Yeah.
Now we will go get churros and those
Like a
potato
swirl.
swirls.
So we're gonna get some churros. So this.
These are the proper churros. In America, you get one stick of churro and it's so
It's just not,
so
not
hard.
good. Yeah.
This one.
We haven't tried it yet, so give it a try
so I'll
first.
try
Oh my
it.
god, that's huge. Is that good?
It's hot. It's hot.
Really?
I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who supported us on our YouTube journey so far. It's really been such an amazing journey, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as it really helps us out, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Questioning myself on the way down. Now I'm so tired of breathing.
So good.
So after a long day of roller coasters and amazing food, we decided to sit down and enjoy this beautiful winter show, and it definitely exceeded our expectations.
So we're gonna do ice skating.
And it'll be my very first time.
Yeah, so hopefully it's gonna be good. I have mine, and I'm skating, and that's her. She has a little penguin to help, and she's learning. Look at her. Ooh, oh, she's picking up speed. Ooh, you turn. Yeah, do the face, do the smug face. Come on. Yeah. Oh my God, look at these tricks. Oh my God.
I'm the penguin dancer.
After 2 whole hours of trying to learn how to ice skate, we had to say our goodbyes to this amazing theme park.
Bye, Energylandia.
It honestly blew us away, and we're quite sad to say our goodbyes, but next vlog will be in Krakow and looking at the amazing castle there. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.